glory.
Rose with her petals, see how soft they gleam. Watch her tender flowers, a sight for all to see. The rose, she stays silent, says not a word. She never asked her love of freedom he deserved.
What is love? Is it pleasure? Just waters to be measured. Lend your ears to learning say. What is lust? Is it precious? Fiery passion, bold and reckless. Lose yourself, learning say. Learning say.
I, Merlin, will speak to your soul, giving it insight to lift you like flying.
An eagle felt her powers as he flew in on the wind to court this young blossom to cure her chagrin. Let me through, the eagle cried, I'll take you away. We'll dance and we'll sing in an endless ballet.
Touch the magic, taste the hunger. Through this legend we uncover. Wake your souls, free your morals. Feel the rage, hear that quarrel.
Love is now awakening. Mystery is aboard. Treasure the life before you. Let your souls absorb.
Oh, slyly bends her head, sighing as she sways. She desires pleasures that would last one glorious day.
The flowers feel the perils of mankind. Night is falling, shadows plague her mind. Will she fight for the rights of nature, or just wither if she's wrong? Heaven knows. Will she belong? Touch the magic, taste their hunger. This legend we uncover. Free your mind, there is no shame. With your souls, free your morals. Feel their rage, hear their quarrels. Stay in tune, learning sail, learn sail, learn sail.
Well, that was the first time I heard that song. Sounded okay. Needs a bit more rehearsing, but we'll get there. Right, thank you everybody. Next up is a very talented guy by the name of Nico. He's playing the part of Gronu in I'm Merlin, the lover with the dayward haunting nothing. Today he's singing a lovely song called 5.5 Minutes. Nico.
Every 5.5 minutes, the universe expands for miles. And every time I blink, another child enters the world. There are 6.5 billion people this year, and there are 8 million people in this city, on this island. But right here, I know that somehow we're sitting here. never catch my breath, no matter how hard I try. And I may never understand how every day we breathe 23,000 times while watching your chest rise and fall. The numbers don't add up at all. We are 100 trillion cells, 206 bones, 5 quarts of blood, and 45 miles of nerves, and 100 billion hairs, and too many organs, and 60,000 miles of arteries. We must have been made by a man, 'cause a woman would have made us more economically. I don't know what that means, but all I know is I've seen this scene some years ago, and I could swear I'm watching from the stand, and I could swear I know the second before you reach out your hand. Just like it's no movie, but the script's no good and the girl's no beauty. That's the evidence. More facts that there will never be a science of the way we find or keep or measure love. How do we find or keep or measure love?
Okay, next up is a little song from Les Miserables. It wouldn't be right not to do one song from Les Miserables. We all like that show. So I'd like to call Lily, Tara, and Anna. Castle on a Cloud. And Ian Michael Thomas on the piano. girls, and thank you, Lily, for making her first performance on the Granville stage. Next time she will be doing it on her own, I'm sure. Well done. Right, next up, talented guy, this one. He plays the harp, he plays the piano, he plays the harpsichord, he sings, he acts, he writes music, he's written musicals. I'm sure he can dance as well. He's singing a fabulous song, one of my favourite songs from Jesus Christ Superstar. He is now going to be Herod. He was Merlin, now Herod. Herod song, Connor.
Swimming pool. If you do that for me, then I'll let you go free. Come on, King of the Jews. Okay. I only ask the things that I'd ask any superstar. What is it that you have got that puts you where you are? Jesus Christ, feed my household with his bread. You could do that on your head, or has something gone wrong? Why do you take so long? Come on, King of the Jews. Hey, aren't you scared of me, Christ, Mr. Wonderful Christ? You're a joke, you're not the Lord, and you are nothing but a fraud. Take him away, he's got nothing to say. Get out, you king of the, get out, you king of the, get out, you king of the Jews.
Well, that cheered me up. That was really, really fantastic. I love that song, and it makes you feel happy. Well done, Hannah, thank you. Right, next up, we have one of my songs from My Merlin. The girl singing this is Anna, so Anna, can you come up on stage, please? She's singing a song about a man who's gone off and married another woman, and she's quite distraught. I know this girl quite well. I live with her. She's my daughter. Anna, come up on stage, darling. She had a terrible chest infection and a cold, so I told her to take it easy. Where do I go from here? Proud of you. Right, ooh, Katie's next. Katie is actually playing one of the ladies in waiting in I'm Merlin, which will be staged, by the way, in March 2015. So we'll keep you informed. Connor's going to play the piano for Katie. She's singing a lovely song called Tonight from West Side Story. Thank you very much.
Tonight, tonight, won't be just any night. Tonight there will be no morning sun. Tonight, tonight, I'll see my love tonight, and for us stars will stop where they are. Today the minutes seem like hours, the hours go so slowly, and still the sky is light. Oh, moon, grow bright, and make this endless day, endless night. Tonight, tonight, it all began tonight. I saw you and the world went away. Tonight, tonight, it's only you tonight. What you are, what you do, what you say. Today, all day I had a feeling a miracle would happen. I know now I was right. So here you are, and what was just a moon is a star. Tonight,
Thank you, Katie. Katie is studying drama. She's doing a degree in drama in Cardiff University at the moment. Right, moving on. Went back to one of my songs now from I'm Merlin. Next up is Tara, who is playing Bloody Well, the woman made of flowers. She's sweet at the beginning, then she turns into a bit of an evil one towards the end. But this song is sweet. It's an oldie worldy song and it's called My Paradise of Life. Tara.
you even know days go by, so lonely here I lie.
shelter will take my soul. No man will cage my spirit. Is it therefore wrong for me to seek my Lord's day? My time has come to seek revenge. I pray to God on high. My heart I give to the meadows green, where summers never die. My paradise of life. Thank you.
Thank you, Tara. That was beautiful. You should all be at my left now because it's master of the house. Where are you all? Thank you. Okay. Connor is now going to play the piano and sing. He's been Merlin. He's been Hamlet. And now he's Thénardier. Thank you.
Welcome, monsieur. Sit yourself down and make the best in King Park in town. As for the rest, all of them crooks, rooking the guests and cooking the bugs. Seldom do you see honest gents like me, a gent of good intent, who's content to me, master of the house, darling at the charm, ready with an handshake and an open palm, tells a saucy tale, makes a little stir, customers appreciate a boss favor, glad to see my friends at my bar, doesn't cost me to be nice, but nothing gets you nothing, everything has got a little price. Master of the house, keeper of the zoo, ready to relieve them of a sou or two. Water in the wine, waking up the white, picking up the knickknacks so they can't say stride. Everybody loves the landlord, everybody's boozed up for rent. How it all increases, oh, Jesus in the end.
Master of the house, where can I try? Nevertheless, unto my horse and fly. Seven to the table, seven to the grace. Look for the philosopher and like old race. Everybody's known for my man. Everybody's known for her.
Knock up your lazy Jesus and the skin you to the bone. Enter, monsieur, lay down your load and lace your boots, rest from the road. Oft is twice a ton, travels the curse, but here we strive to lighten your purse. Here the goose is cooked, here the fat is fried, and nothing's overlooked. Do of satisfied. Move beyond compare, move beyond belief. Mix it and mince it and pretend it's beef. Kidney of an horse, liver of a cat. Filling up the sausages with this and that. Residents are more than welcome. Rather sweeties occupied. Reasonable charges plus some little extras on the side. Charges for the lights, extra for the mice. 2% for looking in the mirror twice. Here a little slice, there a little cat. 3% for sleeping with the window shut. When it comes to fixing prices, there are lots of tricks on now. All the bits and pieces now, all increases. Jesus, it's amazing how it grows.
Master of the ass, fixing at your eye. Nurse in the house, my passing by. Servants in the poor, workers in the great. Customers a philosopher and I'm Lord's mate. Everybody's on the wagon. Everybody's shopping for drugs.
Dave, what's a Jesus, Jesus, what a sorry little lot.
Happy song, Master of the House, love that one. Right, okay, moving on, we have Ruby. Ruby come on stage, and also playing for Ruby today is Ian Michael Thomas. Ruby's going to sing a song from Phantom of the Opera. Ooh. Ruby's also studying drama at the moment. And the name of the song is?
We're somehow here again. My one companion, you were all that mattered. You were once a friend and father. Then my world was shattered. Wishing you were somehow here again. Wishing you were somehow near. Somehow it seemed, if I just dreamed, somehow you could be here. Wishing I could hear your voice again, knowing that I never would. Thinking of you won't let me to do all of the things I would. Passing lands and spotted beaches, old and monumental, seem for you the wrong companion. You were warm and gentle. Too many years fighting back tears. Why can't the past just die? Wishing you were somehow here again, knowing how to say goodbye. Dreaming of you won't let me to do, and me to say goodbye. No more memories, no more broken tears, no more gazing across the wasted years. Let me say
Thank you, Ruby. Did you enjoy that? Yeah. Okay, next up is One of my songs, I believe, Keep the Flames Alight. This is a duet. It's a duet between Blooddale and Llewellyn. Llewellyn is so desperate for a wife and he can't have a mortal wife. So he has one created for him, made out of flowers, wild flowers. Keep the flames alight. Thank you.
Nature's creed, you flowers born, trees and branches gold, twined with roses, thorns, oh so frail, so young, yet untouched, pure. Make my life complete, rise from nature's core. Will you be my comfort in my sorrow? Will you be the shelter in the rain? Always bring me new tomorrows, always share my pain. Help me fight the demons, be my angel, guide me through each battle that unfolds. Will you bring my new tomorrow? Warm my lonely nights, keep the flames alight when cold.
I'll erase what's past, make the future bright, ease your evil curse, keep the flames alight. I of nature, I of flowers broad, trees of golden twine, roses thorns. I will find a way to love you, always leave the sun to warm you.
Could you make me whole?
I will be the comfort in your sorrows. I will be your shelter when it rains. Always bring you near tomorrows. Always share your pain.
Help me fight the demons, be my angel, guide me through each battle that unfolds. Will you be my summer memory, all my lonely nights when
I will
cold?
warm your lonely nights.
Keep the flames alight when cold.
Thank you, James and Tara. That was really beautiful. Okay, so it's now time for me to introduce my guest singer for today. His name is Christopher Orton. He wrote a very amazing musical last year, performed it last year in Newport. The name of the musical was My Land's Shore. He's a very talented guy. I think the best way for me to explain the way he performs is he doesn't just sing the song, he actually tells you a story. Please welcome Christopher Orton.
There's a bit of pressure. I've got to tell you a story now as well. Okay, I'm going to sing the title song from My Land's Shore. It's a musical about Dick Penderyn and the Merthyr riots of 1831. This song takes place in Act 2, where Richard, Dick Penderyn, has been arrested and is awaiting his execution in Cardiff Jail.
Through all these months of war, I've seen men die, I've seen men bleed. Was it all worth fighting for? And now this empty cell shows me much more. There are no heroes here, just ordinary men who dare to dream that there can be a world where men walk free and won't bow down to English law again. And I know in my heart that Wales can rise above this now, brave and proud. This is my country's hour. Today the dragon fights, and through my death will they all see that one death was worth their might. Will they stand fast as our dragon bites? At last it's come to this. Through all these months of war, silenced by injustice, from the scaffold truth will roar. When I die, bury me on my land shore. When I die, bury me on my land shore. Bury me on my land
Oh my goodness, what a voice. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. And you know, he squeezed today in for me. He's such a busy guy. He just drove down from London, especially just to sing that song. Thank you so much. Okay, my last song for the concert today is one of mine. You should be on my left again, cast. The song is called You Must Learn to Please. We have some solos in it, we have some chorus. I'm running out of things to say. Please come on stage. Thank you. You must learn to please.
A maiden born of magic, come I,
be together.